Hi, I'm Storm Tracker 18 meteorologist Jess Langlois. We are starting out our Christmas Eve significantly colder than we were just yesterday. Now, this is as of 7 a.m. this morning. The temperature 24 hours ago, 40 degrees colder than this time yesterday in Eau Claire than we were just 24 hours ago as of 7 a.m. And even colder in the Twin Cities and Mankato, almost 50 degrees colder than yesterday morning. So big differences in temperature. In fact, we set a record high yesterday, and then that monster system came through, caused blizzard conditions in Minnesota. Thankfully, we escaped the worst of it in the Eau Claire area, but we still had wind gusts exceeding 40 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour in Rice Lake, and 50 miles an hour in La Crosse. Now, Minnesota really had the worst of it. The heaviest snow and the strongest wind gusts, 52-mile-an-hour gusts in the Twin Cities, but there also were reports exceeding 65 miles an hour. So very strong wind gusts yesterday. And even since the midnight hour, we have had gusts exceeding 30 miles an hour here in Eau Claire as well as in Minnesota. And that is now prompting we shift our focus from the whiteout conditions that were happening yesterday to wind chills behind it now that the snow has moved out. That cold air is moving in. Thankfully, once again, the worst of it in Minnesota. Here, we're still going to see cold wind chills, but thankfully not as cold as the up to 35 degrees below zero that they're seeing just to the west. That wind chill advisory goes right up to the border, but does not extend into western Wisconsin. But still going to feel cold. The coldest wind chills occurring early Thursday morning, and we could see wind chills anywhere between 15 and 20 below across the area. We're seeing much colder wind chills in Minnesota. But as we go into the afternoon today, we're still going to be seeing cold wind chills likely below zero for the entire day. And into this evening, feeling like we're below zero as well, so Santa is definitely going to need to bundle up when he comes to western Wisconsin tonight. But as we go through the rest of the day, it's worth noting that despite the fact that it's much colder than what we saw yesterday and for most of December, we're not anywhere near the record low for today, Christmas Eve, which was 30 degrees below zero in 1950. Actual temperature, not wind chill. So thankfully we're nowhere near that. And as we head into our Christmas Day itself, we're actually going to see an improvement in temperatures, a mix between mostly sunny and a partly cloudy sky tomorrow, but a cold start to the day. So as you're waking up early Christmas morning around present opening time, temperatures will be below zero outside, likely in the single digits below zero. Wind chills anywhere between about 10 and 25 below at that time. And then as we head into the afternoons when we'll see those temperatures start to rebound. But for today, only in the single digits, mostly cloudy. We're going to struggle to let go of any cloud cover, perhaps a isolated flurry here or there, but the snow has primarily moved out. Clouds linger though. It stays cold, still breezy through the day, and tonight we have that frigid air that we're really going to see, especially with any clearing that we do see, the fresh snowpack on the ground, wind chills anywhere between 10 and 25 below. But the one good thing about this cold weather is we can't really have any snow melt. Temperatures are well below freezing. So we have about 2 inches on the ground right now in Eau Claire. Not going to go anywhere, and that would mean that we do have a white Christmas. Just barely got there in time, but looks like we're going to have that white Christmas, especially areas to the west of Eau Claire that saw more snow. But as we head into Friday, we're looking at temperatures in the upper teens by the afternoon on Christmas. Saturday and Sunday, we're back in the 20s, a chance for a few flakes on Sunday as well, and then we're seeing a mix of anywhere between 10 and 20 degrees to start next week. Monday looking like the coldest day, then cold into Tuesday morning as well, and then we moderate once again. But temperatures cold for this Christmas, but at least no more snow through the holiday.